the 2007 GMC Envoy. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, front dual-zone air conditioning, front fog lights, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.